Hi, Vlad here from Moveo One. If you're in growth and running the experiments, you know how hard it is sometimes to move some KPIs. It depends actually on the people you're targeting. Sometimes for some group of the people it works well, for other it backfires. What we found at Moveo One is that user behavior tells you a lot more than you typically see in the dashboards, but it's really hard to piece that together manually. So what we do is that we use your historical data on how users behaved so far to determine how likely it is for certain users to perform some actions. For example, to buy, to churn, you name it. So if we take a look at the probability distribution here, which is the probability of user entering the subscription, what you can see is that on one side, there are users who will convert anyway, while on the other side, there are users who most likely won't. And here, this group in the middle, that's what your experiment actually works the best. Let's zoom together into this range. These users are highly likely to convert, but they are still deciding. By focusing on this cohort, you're targeting the users you can actually influence by sending them an email or showing a pop-up or intercom message. For example, when a user falls into this range, send them a targeted offer like 15% discount. The action itself is not new. What matters is who you're applying it to. Then you run a simple experiment to that group and measure the impact. In this case, by targeting only these users, we increased free to paid conversions by 18%. And it just takes a few minutes to integrate. You can add Moveo tags similar to Google Tag or connect tools like PostHog, Mixpanel, Segment, or BigQuery. Once connected, we start using your existing data right away. So this is the idea. If you're already running the experiments and you want to make sure to make an impact, and you liked what you saw, book a call with us and we'll likely guide you through a demo. Bye!